Achoo! Why do we sneeze? It can happen when dust, pepper, or strong smells get in your nose. Your nose is like a guard. When something bugs it, your nose sends an alarm. A sneeze is a big blast of air. It pushes the annoying stuff out fast. That blast can push out dust and tiny germs. It helps protect your body. Some people even sneeze when they look at bright light. It's a funny body reaction. So, sneezing is your body saying no and kicking stuff out of your nose.